How to password protect a folder. So if you want to lock a folder on Windows, you can't do it unless you have Windows Pro. However, there is a workaround. You need to install WinRAR, and you get it from rarlab.com. Go to the downloads and get the latest WinRAR onto your Windows device. Once you do have the latest WinRAR, you want to right click on the folder that you want to password protect. So this one here. Then go to WinRAR here and then select Add to Archive. Now first is to name the folder. Now you want to set the password here. So we'll press that and we'll enter 1234. Re-enter it 1234. So I'll show you that there. See 1234. Then you want to press OK. And then OK again. It will make a new folder, as you can see here. So we double click it. We'll see. Always open it in WinRAR. Now we try to extract here. We'll extract them here. Press OK. You need to enter that password. Like that. And we'll have extracted them folder. So that's how to password protect a folder. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.